YouTube, what's going on? This is Kevin the Tech Ninja, and today we're going to talk about how we unlock the Galaxy Flip to any GSM carrier. For example, this Galaxy Flip is on AT&T, but we want to use it on T-Mobile. Check this out. First, you need your phone's IMEI number. To do this, go to your phone and dial *#06#. Now head to the unlockingcompany.com for my link below. They're the ones sponsoring this video, so thank you to them. From the drop-down menu, select Samsung and then Galaxy Flip. Now select country in which you purchased it and the carrier this phone is currently tied to. Finally, enter that IMEI number and fill out the rest of the information and complete the checkout process. After that, you'll get an email with your unlock information. And time depends on the phone, carrier, and a few other factors, but hang on tight, it will not be too long. Pop in that unsupported SIM card and reboot. When the phone turns back on, a command prompt will appear asking you to unlock your phone. Enter in that information from the email and bam, that's it. That's all there is to it. If you need more information, head to theunlockingcompany.com. Thank you for watching.